Hi there, we're going to show how LogScope can be used to view Witsml data. If we go to settings, we can select Witsml, which is the option down the page. So we select Witsml and we select the Witsml server. We're going to use Baker Hughes this time. It will present the wellbore and then the sub-wellbore. So we select the sub-wellbore that we're going to use. And then in order to get all the logs and everything, we're going to use a functionality called auto-populate, which loads all the logs, the survey, which we're going to come back and change because there are two surveys. And now we're going to add in some computational, so we can add some solver equations in, and we're going to add in porosity from the density. So you just select the porosity from the density, and we're going to edit that, and we're just going to change the log so that it's matching the correct density log. We're then going to add in the Archie equation after we've done this. And again, with the Archie equation, you can select and change any of the parameters, which we'll just quickly do here. Once these equations are in, they stay within the well that you have in the LogScope menu. We're now going to do an alert, and these are time-sensitive alerts that show in your notification center. We're going to give this the name of gamma rather than good, and we're going to look for a gamma ray value of greater than 0. You can use any mapped log or any calculated log, any text, so you can look for fluorescence and whatever, and it will produce an alert. So once we select the gamma ray, as I say, we're going to do value greater than 0. You can set a minimum interval as well, and then we load that. As I said, the trajectory is a planned survey, not the actual real survey. So we're going to go back and choose the actual real-time trajectory. And we're now ready to go and stream the well. We hit done and it pulls up our default plot, and then we hit the play button and we get working at the top. The alerts is there. You can add more alerts whilst it's running, and you can refresh the display. You can scroll up and down. You can change the scale. You can look at the data, and it will show the data. We also have the ability to choose go to, and you can go to the top, the base, or wherever within the actual wellbore. And then on the first inquiry of the Witsml server, it will pull down all the data, which it's doing at the moment. And at the end of the working, as soon as it finds the value that satisfies the alert condition, you will get an alert on your phone, which was shown here. And we can scroll up and down. We have all the mudlog information. We have all the images in this well. There are images. And then we've got the porosity and the saturation on the far right-hand side. The plot is in landscape here, but we can rotate and look at the plot in vertical as well. The Witsml scanning on LogScope will work happily in background on your iPhone, so there is no need to exit the application, and you can carry on using your phone for other things as well. Thank you.